Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, September 30, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Good morning, David. I am fine, thanks. And you?
I am good, but I am a bit tired this morning.
Why are you tired? Did you have a late night?
Yes, I stayed up watching the news. There is so much going on.
I know. The news is full of big stories right now.
Did you hear about James Comey? It is all over the papers.
Yes, I read about it in the New York Times. The former FBI director got indicted.
Right. They charged him with making a false statement and obstruction of a congressional proceeding.
It happened because of his testimony in September 2020 to a Senate committee.
Exactly. He is a longtime target of President Trump. Trump wanted retribution.
It is controversial. Many say it is political revenge, not real justice.
I agree. It shows how politics can mix with law. Scary, right?
Yeah, scary. It makes people lose trust in the government.
In our sales meetings, clients ask about this. They worry about stability.
As a project manager, I think about how it affects regulations for our projects.
True. If laws change fast, business gets hard.
We need clear rules to plan ahead.
Let me get my coffee first. Black, no sugar.
Same for me. Now, back to Comey. What do you think will happen next?
He says he is innocent. He wants a trial to prove it.
Good. A trial can show the truth, but it might take time.
Months or years. Meanwhile, the news keeps buzzing.
And Trump celebrates it. He calls it justice.
Yeah, but some say it sets a bad precedent. Future presidents might do the same.
Exactly. It could start a cycle of revenge between parties?
In the office, we avoid politics, but it is hard now.
Yes. Let us focus on work, but one more thing on this.
What?
Comey made a video. He said he welcomes the chance to fight back.
Brave guy, I respect that.
Me too. Okay, enough on politics. Another news caught my eye.
What is it? Tell me.
It is about Elon Musk. He started a new political party.
Really? The Tesla boss? I saw something in the Wall Street Journal.
Yes, he announced it this week. It mixes tech ideas with politics.
Controversial for sure. A billionaire running a party?
People worry he has too much influence. Tech and money mix badly.
But Musk says tech can solve government problems, like efficiency.
Maybe, but in society, it raises questions about power.
In our company, we use Tesla tech for deliveries. It works well.
True. But if his party pushes policies, it could change prices.
Higher taxes on tech or lower sales teams watch this.
As project manager, I think about supply chains. Stability matters.
Musk is bold. He tweets a lot about it.
Yes, on X. He calls it a fresh start for America.
Fresh? Or just his way to control more?
Good question. It invites debate on big tech and politics.
I like his cars, but politics, not sure.
Me neither. Let us see how it plays out.
My coffee is hot now. Careful not to burn your tongue.
Thanks. Now one more story. Lighter one.
What is it? Entertainment?
Yes, about Jimmy Kimmel. His late night show had drama. I read in USA Today. He got suspended, then came back.
Oh yeah. Controversy over his jokes on politics.
He made comments about Charlie Kirk. People got upset.
And links to Project 2025, FCC got involved.
Brendan Carr, the FCC chair, pushed for rules on speech.
It felt like censorship. Late night TV under fire.
Kimmel fought back. He did a monologue on free speech.
Smart. He said it is just comedy, not harm.
Now he is reinstated. Show goes on.
Good. We need laughs after long work days.
I watch sometimes, helps relax.
In office breaks, we talk shows like this.
But carefully, jokes can offend.
True. Entertainment shows society moods.
Yes, culture changes with news.
Kimmel is funny. Glad he is back.
Me too. Now about our day.
I have sales calls all morning. Busy.
I have project meetings. Deadlines coming.
Let us finish coffee quick.
Yes, see you at lunch maybe.
Sure. Have a good morning.
You too. Stay positive.
Always. Bye for now.
Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.